changed your life, I could've fucked it up. Told that little bitch first and foremost, touching me like touching gold. Just fucked to 100 million, told that bitch I'm coming home. Talking to my young savages, they out here into that. Don't let these niggas trick you off the streets over that internet. Real bosses don't cry over losses, we gon' get it back.
I don't know him, but I'll try and find him.
He was right back there.
He looked to match the concern, what we do.
What up with you guys? You know who it is, your boy. Back up here with another quick video real quick. Up for getting the oil changed on the truck. And now I'm right here looking around. So I've seen something I like. That's why I hate coming up here. Goddamn Matt. Goddamn car. It's goddamn GMC. It's clean too. But yeah, walked up here. Seen something I like. I want to go check it out. Been thinking about it for a while. And every time I come to dealership, they always trying to offer me something for my goddamn truck. You know what I'm saying? So, I ain't saying that's what I'm finna do. I'm just saying I'm finna go see it. Where is it? It's a long ass damn walk, man. Shit. And really, if I did buy something, I wouldn't buy from here. I tried to get my truck that time. You know what? I won't buy from here, put it like that there. I'll go out of town and get it. I ain't gonna put all that on here about my experience up here. Now they changed oil good as fuck, I'll tell you that. That's about all they do. But God damn, it's a long ass walk. Get up here, man, and go see what they got. What I'm looking at, anyhow. And they ain't got none. They got one on the doggone lot. Oh boy, let me see. Where is it? That's nice right there. It's 1,500. Denali truck. Now this bitch here clean here. Oh boy, this clean. I like that there. Yeah, it's clean though. Interior clean, huh? I like the, what you call it, the seats. I'm gonna see Aaron. These new ones nice. I just can't see myself getting another 1,500, man. What's the ticket price on this thing? This one I like. What's the ticket price on it? Yeah, this one bad. But we gonna ease on over here to what I wanted to come look at. Ain't really got nothing out here, really. They do, but they don't. Nothing for me. On these right here, what I'm looking at. Nice, boy. It's killing. Nah, we quit bullshitting. This here right here. This is what I'm looking at, guys. So I'm thinking about getting. Of course, them goddamn tires coming off. Now that motherfucker, that bad though. Hold on, bullet doodle. Let me go over here and look at this real quick. Sticker price, $92. That ain't bad. By the time you put everything in it, with lift and everything, you still gonna be about 90 something. So that's right. But yeah, I've been thinking about getting one of these for the longest now. I don't know if I want to get rid of the truck. Well, no, I ain't getting rid of my damn truck. I'm gonna keep Louise. I gotta get one of these right here though. It's my next move. It's not even a ticket on it and how much it is. Thing nice. You know what year this is? Gotta be at least a 20 or 21 by the front. Yeah, by the front. At least 20, 19, 20, 21, 22. This thing nice. So, like I said, I like them. Already got what I need right there. Most of y'all already probably know what I'm trying to do with it. I like these little things though. My mama got one of these. Ooh, dog, what is this? It's an enclave? Yep, a new Buick Enclave. This is nice. Nice. Yeah, guys, but that's it though. Been thinking about it. Think that's gonna be my next move. But like I said, I won't get it from here. Give you a hint why. See anybody? I walked past the whole building. Just saying. These nice right here. This is my favorite color for a truck or a car. I had a Cadillac this color one time. Just like this right here. Oh well. Just wanted to show y'all that. Walk my butt back around here. Long ass walk. Get y'all in a minute. Cause boy, this goddamn walk is hell. Peace.
A few minutes later.
I see no Cadillacs on the lot. High ass got them Escalade. I don't even want to look at that motherfucker there. This is nice. Got a Porsche out here. And the new Broncos I like. I like these. I like these right here. Broncos, nice. So Jeeps, Challengers. Some Broncos are nice as hell for real, man. Some nice trucks, man. Little Jeeps or whatever the hell they call, whatever they label. Damn Supra. Little Supra. Goddamn vet. This was my next move. I was gonna get one of these right here. I like this goddamn color on this motherfucker. Ooh, that's nice though. Yeah, it's nice. Now, I don't know if I like those or these right here. I kind of like the old ones better for some reason. But these new ones are just, these bitches ridiculous, man. These motherfuckers are sick. Now y'all already see my car. Y'all already see it. '18 LS. Y'all already know which one it is. Y'all already know which one it is. That big boy 500. 500. Big motherfucker. Clean. And it's my color. The same color I was saying that I like. Nice. Like that. Another Vet. The Honda. Black Edition. A little Benz truck. A lot of trucks out here. And again, it's a ghost town. Get on the end down there. Nothing. Nothing I'm interested in. Tahoe clean. Alright, let me get my ass back over here. Some of y'all been paying attention. You see why I said I never bought nothing here. One time I tried. Put like this, I ended up going somewhere else to get my goddamn truck. And I ain't just do it just because. You know what I'm saying? Customer service is a motherfucker, to me, anyhow. So hey, it is what it is. Get back around here. Get Louise. Like I said, service-wise, oh man, they're a beast. They changed some good ass oil. But hey, like I said, my experience here, I won't buy shit from here. I go somewhere else and get it. They can't talk shit because they can't call no name because I ain't said where I was. Some of you know, some of you don't. But yeah, get over here and check on the truck. Get back with y'all in a minute.